Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to remove Meta AI from Facebook. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Facebook app, and after that just go here on the top right corner and click this three line right here. And after that, just scroll down until you see this help and support. So just click this and then just click report a problem right here. Report a problem right here. And after that, just go here and scroll down until you see settings right here. So click settings, and then you will be asked to describe the issue. So what we're going to do is to describe the issue right there. And basically what we would like to say is that we don't want Meta AI on our Facebook, so you want them to remove it from your account. So let's say for example you want to type this one, and after that just click send right here, and then you will now be good to go, and then Facebook will get back to you shortly. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.